Hello you beautiful peeps! On today's video I'm going to tell you the 3 reasons why I think you should be looking at this new Rlaarlo XTS F10 ZA, the version that I have. This is the alloy version. Let's get on. So this isn't one of the 3, but take a look at this.
Is she gorgeous?
Number 1. So, my first reason is price. It's got a very compelling price to it. This one, the alloy version, comes in at $249.99. The carbon fiber version comes in at $299.99, and these are on the pre-sale prices, and the roller version on $199.99. So what do you get for that money? Well, the $299.99 version has a 3650 3300 kV motor. And the version I have here, the alloy version, has got a 2852 3800 kV brushless motor. And it's got the 2200 milliamp hour 3S battery already installed in this. And that's actually quite surprising because this is a full ready to run car. It's even got a gyro fitted in that price point, which is pretty damn cool in my opinion. But some of its competitors in this price range just don't have everything you need to get started, like some don't come with a battery. Let me explain. So, for example, the Traxxas Ford Fiesta ST Rally looks very similar to this one. I'm not going to say anything more about that. It's actually only 2S compatible. That also comes with, or doesn't come with a battery charger or a battery, and it has no gyro. And to be honest with you, the plastic body shell, it has no lighting system or anything with it, so it's not as good as this one. I'll explain and show you the body shell very soon. Then you've got the team associated Apex 2 Sport A550 rally car. Again, flimsy body shell, no lights, however it does have the light housing, and only a brushed 550 motor. No battery, no charger, no gyro, and that's at $299.99. And then another one that I found was the LC Racing PTG2R, but that's a kit with no motor, no ESC, no transmitter or receiver, and therefore no gyro, no servo, and no body, and therefore no lights, and that's in at $299.99. So as you can see, this is very competitively priced, and that's what Rlaarlo are known for, isn't it? They're coming in just below with great quality. Number 2. So my second reason for buying this car is quality. And I haven't driven it, so how can I say definitively that I think the quality is good? Well, firstly, it's a Rlaarlo, and they've actually been doing really well on quality. But let me show you the inside of this. Lovely, eh? Look at that. That's very nice. I'm not quite sure how long that bracket will hold on for, but why can I say definitively about quality? Because if I do that and bring up the Omni Terminator, notice anything familiar, ladies and gentlemen? Yes, that's right. This rally car, the XTS F10, is based on this. And I predicted way back at the start of the year that this would be my car of 2024, and it's pretty darn good. Pop over and check out that video if you've not seen it already. So we know that the actual foundation, the base of this car is very, very good. But of course they've had to make some changes, some compromises. But compromises is perhaps not the correct word. It's built for a completely different purpose. You can see that the actual swing arms here, the upper and lower suspension arms, are in a little bit further. The suspension itself doesn't have as much travel, obviously, and of course the smaller, lower profile tyres. But the actual layout of the car itself is incredibly well thought out. You have this panel at the top here. You want to check on a GPS, put it there. But something else that you could do is take the little ESC here and plop that right up here, therefore giving you a bigger bay for the battery. Brilliant. You've actually got 2 receiver boxes here. I don't know. Can you say in the comments below why you would need 2 receiver boxes? I don't know that myself. As I said, this has got the 2852 brushless motor in it. I have just quickly driven it in my hallway, and it seems quite punchy due to the size of the vehicle. I will at the end say a couple of the cons, because I'm not just going to say that this is an absolutely amazing car, because there are a couple of things that do concern me. but I have to say, for the price point, pretty good. Number 3. So my third reason for buying this car is an obvious one to me, and I hope it is to you as well, and that is the looks of this car. It is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. They've done a lot. They've added things on here that they didn't need to do, wing mirrors, the air scoop there, etc. You've got the lights. It looks like the suspension's very high at the minute, but obviously when it's on the ground, you can see the suspension's much lower. You can turn the lights off completely, as you can tell. The one thing it has that I'm not too keen on, but I have been discussing it with them, and it does look like they may actually remove it for the production versions that you will be purchasing, is these indicator lights. Are they on? Yes. Quite hard for me to tell from that angle. I'm not too keen on that, and let's be honest, a world rally car, or any rally car for that matter, doesn't indicate as it turns into a corner. It barely indicates it when it's on the road stages to each other stage. The actual car itself, it doesn't have a lot of ride height. There's not really a lot of potential here for giving it much more ride height, but I would be keeping it pretty much in the rally spec for as long as I could anyway. You can hear by the acceleration, it's got quite some oomph to it. The channel 3 at the top here, if you activate that, that gives it 30% more acceleration, not top speed. This one's making me smile because it's just that good. I love it, and I really can't wait to get this out onto the road and give it a blast. I obviously am going to do it on a gravel stage, but please keep in mind that the gravel stages we have in Malta have got big rocks everywhere, so I'm not too sure how that's going to handle. Let me turn this off, and then I'll explain to you the things that I'm not too keen on. So, the things that I'm not 100% keen on, but there is a way around that for those that wish to do so, is the actual mounting to the car. I like the fact that it can flip back like that, but to take it off, you have these little clips here. You have to twist it all the way, and then as you can see, it pops off. So if I do that on both sides, like so that's now free, and then you have this clip at the front there. See this one here? You push that one in, and then it's free. I'm not sure how durable that's going to be, but when it's actually all locked into place, it's very solid. I don't feel like it's going to snap at that point, but of course we've not done any rolls or anything like that yet. And as I said, that part there, I should imagine that will hold because the shell itself will just flex with it. So you can put any shell on top, or any 1/10 size shell on top of this. You just have to buy the mounting posts that do not come in the box. So that's an extra thing that you need to think about buying if that's what you want to do. I've got the Peter Solberg Subaru Impreza rally shell there. I have put it up alongside, and they are identical wheelbases. So that's fantastic, and that's on the Tamiya 1/10 base, which is brilliant. So that's well thought through for that person that just wants to buy this car and drive with it. The mounting system, it's sufficient-ish. I'm not too keen on these at the side, but now I'm fine with it. The mounting posts not coming in the box, I think they should have added them personally, but that's just me. So it has a full central differential located just in here. So you have the differential here, and a full one there. When you move the ESC away wherever you want to put it to make the battery tray a little bit larger, there's actually the differential tray there, as you can see, or casing there. So you've literally got the width of the ESC there. So you'll probably have to turn whatever battery you have on the side. Let me just grab this one here. So that would, oh, you can see that would easily fit in there without an issue. Actually in the box, let me show you what comes in the box now. You have the basic charger, a couple of straps. The straps are for the battery mounting point, so that enables you to put larger batteries in, which is really good. I mean, this is a 5,000 milliamp hour 3S battery, as you can see. Lots and lots of space there, and the basic tools. You also have the pinion there as well. I am just gonna be quiet just for a few seconds so you can just look over this beauty. They've done quite well on the attention to detail, I think. Let's have a look. We're going to be testing this over on the main channel, John Robinson RC, so I'll put the link in the description below, so you can just click that and go over and see the car driving. That will be uploaded and released at the same point as this one, so you'll be able to watch this one and then pop straight over there and see how good it handles. From what I see so far, from everything that you get with it, the fact it's also got the gyro, etc, etc. Battery comes with it, some don't, some other competitors don't, etc. And of course, it's got a lot of the Omni Terminator parts. That won't be an issue, and it therefore won't have the prices of some of the other competitors when it comes to parts. I have to say it looks very, very good and very well priced. Let me just grab the Tamiya. I probably should have put that clip on a little bit better before I do this, but just so you can see the wheelbase there. This one I actually didn't notice before, but the Tamiya is a little bit thinner, just a smidge thinner. Ooh. Quite a lot thinner actually, but of course that can be solved with just different wheels on it, so very cool, very, very cool. So ladies and gents, thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you next time. Stay safe, take care. Bye bye.